Hey guys, it's Candace. Welcome back to Join Me Crazy. Okay, I couldn't leave well enough alone. When I looked in there, I saw I had 6 of these that, I didn't use. I had a few more sand dollars floating in there, so I had to make some of the bigger ones. And then I put some of that sparkle pen behind it just to, let it be different. Then I had these little crabs, which I tried to go print another stamp, another picture. These are everything stamp mix from FigaroDesigns because I'd used some and my printer's not printing, it only print black and white. So dear God, tomorrow I got to make that phone call. Oh, Lord. So I have three little crabs, and I know I needed 6, but well, shoot, I'll have to hold on to the next one. So I just went ahead and printed summertime and put it on some more of the little blue and yellow stripe. And we're going to go ahead and make a couple tags with these. Well, obviously we'll only be making 3 because I don't have enough stuff. But, well, here we go. Oh my gosh. Well, so much for, thinking I was done. But there was just too much in there. So I have to, I can't let this go. Ada's having a conniption fit upstairs at somebody. I don't know what. All right. Whoops. Had some glue on my finger, obviously. All right, let me put this on a label on here. So I will. Oops. So I'll know where not to glue anything. I'm just going to put it on the very top of that curve. All right. And now, let's see. I need him. I'm going to put something on there to smush it down because I guess it kind of dried, a little curled. We have this. Oh, apparently I'm tired. Sorry, y'all. And my little crabby. So I kind of like that. Yeah, my son just sent me a picture of a big old snake with 2 chicken eggs that I don't know if it was had eaten the others or whatever. And I'm like, oh my God. I said, is that an effing snake? He's like, yup. He said, and a big one. I'm like, oh my God. And, I'm like, well, was it in the, the main chicken coop, or they have like a goat pen on one side of the yard and then the main chicken coop. And, the, they have this, I don't know where this other little chicken came. It just came from somewhere. It's just a little chicken. And so it stays over there in the goat pen and, just has all these eggs all the time. And so she stays over there. And so I had asked him, well, which house was it at? But it doesn't matter. It's a big old snake. And I asked him, I said, do they bite people? Does it bite people? And he's like, well, all snakes bite. He says, but it's not poisonous. He says, it's a rat snake. And I'm like, I don't care. It is a snake. Oh my God. It's big. Y'all, it's big. So, let me make sure I'm still got red going. I'm filming. Okay, now I need some this and that. That one's not quite round. I know I could not let all this go to waste. But I can't believe my stinking printer is working. Oh my God. And where's my medium? Yeah. I need, my box lid. I need a few little ones of this. I know I still have a bunch of this. Isn't it sad? But I don't want it to go to waste. I know, I think some of them are falling out on the table. Oh, I still have to go find their stinking water bowl. It's in those tall weeds. Ada had knocked it off. She always does, but I hadn't gone to find them yet. All right, now I got some other sizes. No, I don't want an air bubble. There we go. And let's see if I can. Oh man, I almost had it. Oh, I'm sorry, isn't that stinking cute? Okay. No, let's not lose our littles. I need my littles. All right, and then I need some of these. I got to put some whatchy dinkies in there. Sequins. They got to match the other things. Ow. And put it. Oh, another one there. I know this is some thick glue. I got to find. It's somewhere. God only knows. That's fallen over here somewhere. And I guess this clearer one. Oh, I still gotta put my little dots on the what's dinky sand dollar. I know I really wanna. It needs to get flat, and if I put this on it, then it won't flatten. Let me get my other one so help flatten it. While it's flattening, let me show you some other things that I did. Okay, so this was my leftover palm tree, and I had, there we go, I had this, remember I showed you I had that scrap of paper in there, so I stamped some of the little bubbles on there, put some of the punches on there, some little turquoise glitter pins, a sand dollar, no, a starfish. I got the Manump, he's on there with his little coconuts, some of the vellum coral, little piece of the twine, put a little banner flag on here with some of that left over, and then I used that Arctic Claire ink and made the little blue thing. So that's just my one of. That's all I had was enough to make a onesie. So we did a onesie. And then I did these. I did 4 of these that say relax. Because I had 4 of the palm trees left. And that piece of paper that I just cut. And then put the little seashell on there. The sand dollar. Some coral. I still have coral left. And the little palm fronds, but well, they might show up on something else. And we made our little manum guy. Look, doesn't it look like one of the little critters from... And then I went and made it just little notebooks. So I put some different papers in there and just punched little finger daubers. And all of those have them. And then I didn't show you this. Where'd I put them? Oh gosh, I might not show you this either. I found them. Okay. Remember these that I did? I went and used some nautical paper from... Where's that pack right here? Echo Park. Ahoy there. Yep. So I went and just made a little journal card to go in there and a little tag from here. I did punch a hole. It just says, "My day is better because of you." But all of the ones that I had did before, even the older ones, they all have that in there. So I did that to all of them because I thought they needed a little something, you know, because they were just a little naked. All right, let's see if running my mouth that long made it flat a little bit. Oof. Flatten my glue. Okay, I guess that'll be good enough. I don't, but isn't that cute? And now I got to put the little spots on the little pumpkin seeds. No, what are they? Watermelon seeds. I know, I'm sad. And there we go. I know. I didn't want to make them all so you'd have to see them all. I just wanted to make one so you can see the one. But isn't that cute? I know. I couldn't let it go to waste. So that's what I did. Oh, did I show you? I don't know if I showed you. So we did that. I did this. Let me put a paper clip on this end so it'll hold it shut. So you can see that it's a little mini notebook. All right. Oh, where's that other? Here he is. This is the one. Let's see, he'll have to go up there. That one. And then all of these, the other little ones, like that, all got this put in there. I know now I'm making a hot mess thing. Well, and then on the sides, these are the other two that I did. That one and this one. It's the same. It turned out to be the same. I was going to put the... Anyway, I was going to cut it, put them on both sides. And I was like, no. Oops. That's why it stuck. I set it on top there. I'll have to make another round one of those. That's okay. I can do it. So, anyway, let's see if I can scooch this up a little more. Get you out the way. I know this is a quick video, but well, after I had the fighting with the stinking printer, I was like, I better come finish this. Go ahead and film it, because I wasn't going to film it. I was just going to show it. Go ahead and film it. And, you know. Okay, I hope they're all in frame. Okay, this one needs to come a little further. Right, there we go. So, I think it's official. I'm done playing with that kit. And I'm going to take and put the little bit of leftovers in a plastic bag and go file it in the, I found, since I, cleaned that little spot over there, I found my bucket of nautical stuff, so I can go put it in that bucket. All right, well, I know it's only 15 minutes and it is very short, but I got to, it's getting late and I got to go feed the dogs, let them in. I got to eat dinner myself, and then I got to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a hair puller. So I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. And we will see. We might pull that paper pad out and make the, cut the, ooh, I need to close you up. Cut the cut-aparts off out of there and see if we can make something with it. All right, I will see y'all later. Lots of kisses, lots of love. Y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.